Welcome to part 2. In part 1 I gave you the recipes for a couple of energy and defense smoothies. In this video I want to share 2 more. Got a challenging day up ahead? Then this brain fuel smoothie should provide your grey matter with everything it needs to ace any challenge that comes your way. It contains protein powder, half a banana, 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of yerba mate green tea. This combination is a powerful smoothie for anyone looking to boost their concentration and focus. The first thing of interest here is the protein powder. Now, normally you would drink this on its own as a milkshake, but we're going to incorporate it into our smoothie. Protein is brain food because it's where we get our amino acids being key players in the creation of numerous neurotransmitters. In short, our brains need protein to function properly, and protein powder, which is whey protein, is a great place to get it. Next up, we have banana and coconut oil, which we've already seen the benefits of. Coconut in particular is crucial for brain power, and it's actually the key ingredient in a lot of products designed to enhance brain performance, like bulletproof coffee and like brain octane oil. Cinnamon, meanwhile, is a very healthy way to add more flavor to our drink. It not only lowers blood sugar, but it also helps to reduce the likelihood of heart disease. In fact, the ability of cinnamon to reduce blood sugar is so potent that it's often recommended for diabetic patients. It makes it perfect for us to, once again, avoid those spikes and drops in blood sugar that can otherwise ruin our performance. Cinnamon also packs a lot of antioxidants to help support the brain for the long term. The final ingredient here, though, is the yerba mate green tea, which you can get from health food stores or online suppliers. Green tea is a fantastic option for anyone looking to enhance their brain power and is a better choice than coffee. For starters, the caffeine content is considerably lower in green tea, which means you can get the slight boost without worrying as much about stress, jitters, and addiction. Moreover, green tea contains the ideal combination of caffeine and fellow xanthine, L-theanine. L-theanine has an effect on the brain that is somewhat the opposite of caffeine, and in that it's gently inhibitory. Many people find that when they combine caffeine with L-theanine, the two complement each other perfectly. The caffeine helps to wake people up and make them more alert and focused, while the theanine helps to keep them calm and prevents stress levels from reaching an all-time high. Green tea is also once again very high in antioxidants too. Any green tea will do the job nicely, but we chose yerba mate because it has perhaps the perfect balance of all the key ingredients. In fact, Darwin himself is reported to have described green tea as the most perfect stimulant. Well, we can't argue with that. This should also serve to be neuroprotective and reduce the likelihood of Alzheimer's, dementia, or other forms of cognitive decline. Finally, let's take a look at a breakfast smoothie that has one job: to fill you up and keep you going till lunch for those big days. It contains half an avocado, 150 grams of strawberries, 4 tablespoons of low-fat natural yogurt, 200 milliliters of semi-skim milk, lemon or lime, and honey. And this is a smoothie designed to see you through the day until lunch and will help boost your performance and prevent cravings. The best part of this smoothie is the avocado, which delivers a delicious base, but which also helps to release energy very slowly throughout the day, thanks to its status as a healthy saturated fat. It was once thought that saturated fats would cause weight gain and heart problems. More recently, though, studies have shown this not to be the case. While saturated fats do contain more calories, They're also actually better for us thanks to their slow release of energy, which makes them very effective in providing us with a steady supply of energy and avoiding sugar spikes in the blood. We've also seen that honey has a similar effect when it comes to releasing energy slowly. And that low-fat yogurt can help to get your gut bacteria in check, which is very important for digestion. This is something we'll be looking at in more detail in the next videos. Hopefully, this has given you a few ideas for great morning smoothies that you can use to start your day right. And by sharing the reasoning behind each one and the reason they're so potent, you'll hopefully now have a better idea of how to bring about similar effects while still experimenting with the ingredients as you see fit. More importantly, I hope these videos have now opened your eyes to the real power of smoothies. We're talking game-changing improvements in performance and health here. These smoothies don't just give you a bit of energy and nutrition. When you stick with them, they'll help to protect your brain as it ages, protect your cells from cancer, and more. And we're just getting started.